course Modern Optics for Optical Designers, in short CMOP, is an advanced training for optical designers and people who are working with optical systems. The course is basically split into two parts. Each of them take about 1/4 of a year. In the first part of the course, we talk more about physical optics, about wave phenomena, about diffraction, about polarization, and about image formation. In the second part, the center of gravity is more on geometrical optics, optical design, also with some hands-on optical design program experience, and metrology, which is also a very important part in the second part of the CMOP course. Both parts, next to physical optics, geometrical optics and metrology, are augmented by some topics, special topics such as lithography, lasers and waveguides, micro-optics, illumination optics, optical detection, nonlinear optics. All these topics, these special topics if you want, they are taught by experts in the fields. That's also why we do not have only 1 or 2 trainers in this course, but we have about 8 different trainers, so that we can really make sure that people from these fields teach up-to-date knowledge to the people that are in the course. People that would like to join the course, they should have a university education in physics, in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering. Chemical engineers usually have a bit more of a struggle with this course, but can also participate. That's really the target audience, and people that are working in optics or optical systems in their daily practice. For the participants, this course is usually regarded as quite heavy, and that is because there is a lot of information in a very limited time, and there are also homeworks to be made. Every week, small assignments have to be made individually and submitted. They will also be graded and corrected, and students will receive some feedback. And although this course is fairly long and you have to invest quite a bit of your own time, I guess because of that homework, it's also perceived as a course that really adds value for the participants. Because if you write down certain equations or certain things yourself by hand or in the computer, that guarantees that it stays a lot better in your memory than just getting information by a teacher and absorbing it. The CMOP course, as we teach it here, is a unique course in a sense that it's a really broad course. As I said, it covers physical optics, geometrical optics, various specialty topics, and if the participants successfully finish this course, what they should have is a really broad overview of the field of optics, and if they come across a certain phenomena at work, they will remember, okay, this is how it's where it comes from. These are this is the background information that I need, and if I don't know it exactly anymore, I can just go back to the course material, for example, and pick up from there. And in that regard, I hope at least it will make them better professionals at what they are doing. I hope this information made you curious about the course, and if so, it would be really nice to welcome you in one of the next editions.